Hey everyone, if you want to print an Excel sheet on one page in 2026 without cutting off your data, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to fit your spreadsheet perfectly onto a single page. First, Excel sheets are often too large for one page by default. That's why data gets split across multiple pages when printing. Next, go to the File menu and click Print. Yeah, this opens the Print Preview and Settings panel. Now look for the scaling option. This is the most important step for fitting everything on one page. Click the scaling dropdown and select Fit Sheet on one page. So Excel will automatically shrink your data to fit a single page. If your sheet is wide, switch to landscape orientation. Yeah, this gives more horizontal space for your data. You can also reduce margins to fit more data. Selecting narrow margins helps maximize printable space. If you only want to print specific data, select your range and set print area. This avoids printing unnecessary blank sections. Always check the print preview before printing, so make sure everything fits correctly on one page. If it still doesn't fit, reduce font size or adjust column widths. Yeah, small changes can make a big difference. Now click Print to print your Excel sheet on one page. Your document should now print exactly as expected, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to print an Excel sheet on one page in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.